Hello, today I'm in Kia Ceed. In this video I'll show you how to enter and exit Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. In the beginning, make sure that your car is connected with smartphone via cable. Now take a look at the screen display and go to Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Here you can manage phone, music, maps, messages, now playing podcasts, audiobooks and more. You can also manage YouTube, InPost and banking accounts. Next you can go to Maps and Settings. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.